right there. I ended up having this back bolt. I had to grind it off with a die grinder to get the head off of it where I could get it off. And that bottom one down there, I had to cut it off. I'm gonna put another stud in there at some point. But holy cow, that sucked. This old motor's crunchy. It's been a long time since I've worked on a old Volkswagen. And when I was working on it, they were 20 years old, not 47 years old. So yeah, shit's a little bit more crusty on them at this point. Anyway, after I got it home, I did a cleanup on the inside. For certain, I'm gonna have to get floorboards. If you can see it here or not. But got some pretty bad, some bad places in the floorboards. They're not horrible, they probably could be patched, but I'm gonna put new ones in it anyway. Also back here in the battery box. But just trying to get a hold of what I've got myself into. And I want to get this motor out. And I don't like pulling motors with the mufflers on. I always found it to be a pain in the butt, and this muffler's trash anyway. So I figured I'm gonna go ahead and get it off there. That way I can get them 4 bolts out. I already got all the wiring unhooked. I was gonna undo the accelerator cable and undo them 4 bolts and pull this baby forward and drop it down. What's up, guys? I don't know if you can hear me over the rattle in the dash of this truck, but I got back out on the bug today. I haven't been filming any of it just because I just want to get the motor out and get it unlocked. So I got under there, literally had to take a screwdriver and a hammer to break away all of the tar and crap that was over the bolts. Got them over. Got me an old 17 wrench, threw it on that bottom bolt on the passenger side, broke the stud loose. So the stud came out. Didn't look like it had a bunch of raw aluminum on it or magnesium, so I think we're going to be good. Go to the other side, and I mean, you couldn't even see this bolt at all. I mean, I just kept digging, and finally where I got a bolt exposed, put some penetrating oil on it, went to my toolbox, grabbed my 17 socket with a ratchet. It's too thick. Bought a 17 socket with just a breaker bar on it, a little small one, too thick. Both 17 open end or box end wrenches that I have can't get the right angle. I go in my toolbox, man, I have got like every offset wrench there is except 17. So now I'm driving to my local parts store to buy one offset wrench. And I'm gonna go ahead and get the Marvel mystery oil while I'm here and get that kind of soaking overnight before I start prying on that motor, see if I can get it, wow, the roads are really slick today, to get the motor to break loose where I can go ahead and get it out. So anyway, that's kind of where I am. I'll try to do some more updates as I go on this evening. It's not going to be really in detail. I think everybody's seen a motor come out before of a bug, so I just want to get it out and get it on the ground and see if I get something on it to get it to turn. By the way, I have been rocking it each night with it in gear, and the actual pulley started turning just a little bit. I mean, it's not, I think it's more so like slacking the rods than it is actually the ring that's rusted to the silver wall coming loose, but we'll see. I'm just going to keep on keeping on. We'll see you here in a little bit. Started undressing the motor. I thought, you know, maybe I could get to the back of it, get some penetrating oil on it or something, but everything's a big jigsaw puzzle. You got to take one thing off, take off another thing, take off another thing, and none of it can really be done very well in the car. So basically, I have blocked off a ton of dirt underneath the car, so I'm frustrated, I'm tired, and I'm going to just clean up because that's something that needs to be done. I always do try to do that when I'm at the end of the evening, but just for some clarification, or be clear when I come in here to have a clear workspace, and I'm going to keep going at it, and hopefully we'll have this engine out soon. thank you for your assistance, dude. That would prove to be kind of difficult alone.
Yeah. Lift it up and push it out.
Yeah, all that. I'd have done it. I figured it out because I don't give up, but that was rough. But I appreciate you. I'm gonna drink some water.
Indeed. Have meetings there.
That'd be a good idea. Oh,
One meal a day.
fantastic. I need some water. All right, guys, engine's on the ground, and yeah, holy cow, what a pain in the ass that was. It'd been like since 1988 since I'd done that, so it was funny because the last years ago, Jacob, my son that was out here helping me, his mother and I put an engine in my bus when she was 19 or something. And he's 19 now, and he's pulling one out with me. I thought that was kind of cool. It's like the circle of Volkswagen life. All right, guys, till next time, y'all take it easy and peace out. Go work on your bug, or maybe your bus, man. Go work on your bus. Peace out.